Okay, now let's move to the unit. For the unit, it is on my hand, already on my wrist. And I want to introduce, this is my Huawei Band 9. The color is black, yeah, steady black. So I will take out first, and this is the band that I used, the stainless one. I got it from the website, yeah, and it might be easier for you, and it's look like formal, and you can wear it to several occasions. Okay, now if you want to connect the device, your phone, between your phone and your smartwatch, you only what you have to do is you have to download the application here, Huawei Healthy Band, yeah, here. Okay, this side. Okay, you only download on the App Store or on the Play Store. Now if you already got the application, the first thing you have to turn on the Bluetooth, yeah, turn on the Bluetooth, and then the Bluetooth with pairing automatically to this device. Okay, look at this, this is the green one. And after you connect it, yeah, you can change the wallpaper, the face one. You can hold it for 2 seconds and swipe it, yeah, like just like this. This is several, but I don't have any idea to use my wallpaper, I mean like my own wallpaper here. So if you want to use your own photos, yeah, you have to scan this QR, okay, but I haven't do that, yeah. Okay, and let's back. Okay, let's back, hold it, wait a minute, hold it. Now let's hold it again, and I want to, now this is the last, yeah, okay, from the Huawei, and I want to use this face. Okay, now wait a minute. Okay, now if you swipe from up, yeah, like this is like only several menu. Okay, several menu, yeah. Oh, I'm sweating. Yeah, and only several, yeah. Okay, now if you go like this is the notification. Okay, the notification from your phone, but you have to connect the Bluetooth first. And wait a minute. Now if you swipe from the left to the right, like this, it might be the weather, also the music. Okay, like that. Also from the right to the left, this is the sports face, you can choose it. Okay, this is the main, right? This is the main. Now how about the shutter camera? The shutter camera, continue.